in this tutorial video, we're going to be seeing what a user interface is in its general terms and also in Java terms. So in general terms, a user interface acts as the junction between a user and a computer program. An interface is a set of commands or menus through which a user communicates with a program. So there are different types of interfaces. One of them is a command-driven interface, which is an interface which lets you enter commands. Another type would be a menu-driven interface, in which you select command choices from various menus displayed on the screen. And then we have the graphical user interface, also known as GUI, which is the type of interface that we will be using in Java. And that consists of windows, icons, pop-up menus, etc. So the user interface is one of the most important parts of any program because it determines how easily you can make the program do what you want. So, for example, a powerful program with a poorly designed user interface has very little value. So in this example here, this is what a component or an element of a user interface looks like. So this is what is known as a text field box here, and this is what is known as a combo box here. Obviously, we'll be going to detail into all of these components and elements in the next couple of videos. And when you use all of these together, well, you basically create an interface. So this is what a graphical user interface would look like for a Java program. When developing a Java program, it's important to select the appropriate Java graphical user interface components. So there are two basic sets of components or frameworks that you will most likely build your Java programs with. These two groups of components or frameworks are called the Abstract Window Toolkit, also known as AWT, and Swing. Both of these groups of components are part of the Java Foundation classes. So let's take a look at the first framework. The Abstract Window Toolkit, AWT, is Java's original platform-independent windowing graphics and user interface widget toolkit. It's the very foundation of the Swing framework, which we'll see just afterwards. It performs well, but is lacking in advanced components. So if you intend to create rich applications, AWT is probably not the way to go. However, it's more than suitable for smaller graphical user interface applications that don't require rich user interfaces. So this is what it looks like. Here you can see the features that it includes. I'm not going to go through them. You can read them for yourself. Moving to the next framework now, Swing. So this is the actual framework that we will be using ourselves in Java because it's more recent. So Swing is the primary Java graphical user interface widget toolkit based on AWT, as I said previously. In its infancy, it was regarded as slow and buggy. However, from Java 5, Swing became the framework of choice for building new applications. So Swing has a lot of rich components. So this is what Swing looks like, or an interface using the Swing framework would look like. So as you can see, there's a big difference between AWT and Swing. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to start creating our own interface for our own custom program. So be sure to watch the next couple of videos.